to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bob. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Okay, I was clearly not prepared for this.
Now blow out.
Now you can.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
no boyfriends.
We're here at the Canadian Light Source. We have X-ray diffraction summer school for 3 years now, and Bob always comes to our X-ray diffraction summer schools. He's incredible, and he's always willing to share his knowledge and his insights with everybody. He also comes for many years to the Canadian powder diffraction workshops, at least since 2018, and he has so much energy. I want to be there one day. He's also the creator of GSAS-II together with Brian Toby, and we use that program in our beamlines. We recommend it to our users, and we use it for everything except for baking bread, but be on the lookout because that might be a new feature soon. So he comes here. I guess he loves the True North, and we love him. Happy birthday, Bob.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.